Hi girls, this is Megha from QuirkyWings.com, and today I'm here with a video on the different type of bangles in trend these days. So I showed you in the earlier video on the Indian jewelry in trend these days for Indian weddings. Now I thought let's focus more on the bangles part. I hope you like it and maybe you find it useful. So let's start. When you get married as a newly bride, you are invited to a lot of lunches and dinners, and you need different type of bangles to pair with your different ethnic wears like saris and suits. So I thought let's show you some of the bangles from my collection, and you can get an idea of how to pair different type of bangles which are available in the market with different type of ethnic wear. First, I'll show you these bangles. These are like really jarau bangles. They have like moti and kundan and these type of red and green stones in them, and these are my most versatile bangles. Whenever I'm in doubt like what to wear, then I go for these because this go with most of my ethnic wears, most of my saris and suits. So these are all the bangle collections I have is from Jaipur. Jaipur has some great variety of Indian ethnic jewelry, artificial jewelry, and I just love it. So I got these bangles for around 1400 rupees, and I just love them, and they are of such good quality. I'm using them from last 2 years, and the polish, the shine is same as it is, so I really love it. The next bangles are these type of bangles. These are very nice, very sleek bangles. Churis, you should call it, should be better. These type of churis you can wear with when you don't really want to wear heavy bangles and you are invited to like a lunch or a day event. You are going to a relative's house, and or even at work. I wear them at work too, and these are so delicate churis. They have these more impressions on them. I'm sure you must have guessed it by now that I just love peacock designs. I have peacock bangles, I have peacock earrings, and I just love it. So these peacock churis look really nice and really sleek and really classy, and they are very lightweight. I really love them. So these are the peacock churis. The next I'll show you are these two American diamond designs. Now when you are wearing something with silver on them, you can pair these, and these are really nice designs on American diamond style. And see, this is the first one. I paired this with my black suits and my black saris, and these look really classy. They look like diamond bangles, but they are actually artificial. I just love it. I got it for, I guess, another 1200-1300 bucks, so I really love it. The next one are more party style one. They have jerkin as well as they have this ruby and this emerald style. They are not real, they are artificial, and this look really nice. Again, I pair these with my marriage functions. When I don't want to wear heavy bangles or heavy jewelries, I go for these, and these look really nice with my silver work saris, and these are really nice. So you should invest in one of the silver ones and one of the gold ones, the pearl ones, and you are good to go. These one also I got for around 1200-1300. Then these are some really nice pearl churis. These look so beautiful with your white suits or something which have white detailing, and it looks really so pretty. You can pair this with your maroon saris and maroon suits and or black suits, and it really the white pops up and it looks really beautiful. So you can go for these type of pearl bangles also. These look really nice, and I got it for, I guess, 800 for 4. All the stuff that I'm showing you is of really good quality. I've been using them from so many years, and the polish is as it is. So I really like such kind of gold jewelry. Then I'll show you the pure gold design artificial bangles. Yeah, the design is exactly like gold, and you can't wear gold bangles every time, everywhere, because it's not safe. So for those carefree days when you want to wear gold designs but not exactly the real gold, so these really come handy. I bought these from Bentex. Bentex is a brand which manufactures beautiful gold design artificial bangles. They have warranty also, an exchange policy also. If you got bored of the design, you can exchange these for something else. These looks like really gold designs, and these are so beautiful. You can wear it carelessly when you want to flaunt gold design but really don't want to wear real gold. So these are really nice. I got these for around 600 or 800, and I'll tell you the quality of Bentex is really well. And the most important thing is that you can exchange it also. So that's really great. The another type of bangles are karas, are these type of bangles. These have like kundan cut in between and the maroon design in between. So these looks really beautiful with your, I again pair it with my party sarees because I don't usually wear heavy chudis. I go for the karas, and these are like really beautiful. These go with all the ethnic wears which have golden detailing on them and look really sleek and nice. See, looks very sleek and nice. So you should go for these type of kundan designs which look really nice and unique. These are for around 1400. Yes. Now I'll show you two type of karas which are really so apt for the Sangeet kind of functions, really funky. So first one is this moti and gold one. Chin 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 chin. These look really nice. I got it for my brother's Sangeet ceremony, and these look really nice with lehengas, with flow-lit anarkalis, and they are just for around 150-200 bucks. So you should really go for these type of beads, or you know, the ghungru bangles. Yeah, these are called ghungru bangles, and you can go for these, and these are really apt for the Sangeet parties and all. One is this one, and one I got are these one multi beads one bangles along with the ghungru one, and I pair it with this one whenever I wear lehenga, and these look really nice. This is another one for 100 bucks. So these are so cheap and they look really so beautiful in different Sangeet ceremonies. I really like them for the Sangeet parties. So girls, this is all about the different type of bangles in trend these days. I hope you found it useful, and you can mix and match these bangles for different events and you know, flaunt that style, be unique. Meet you next on a very interesting video. Keep watching perkymakes.com. Give a thumbs up to this video and do subscribe my channel. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.